Boleh fibro hakane ka video mentang wanra epi khubar Laitkam Nonghikai hapo company LAQSH Job Skill Academy Private Limited invite online application from eligible candidate for the vocational trades job in Meghalaya. Kane ka LAQSH Job Skill Academy ka khot application namta ki candidate ki bahau po Meghalaya namta ke vocational trainers jobs Meghalaya nane ban shim ki subject vocational hapo ki school bakini kai ki subject pair kum ka subject agriculture, tourism and hospitality, IT, ITS, electronics and hardware and beauty and wellness. Take a last date when submit kan day khat pratarik April arjar arfar. Take ki post pergi jaga bayu posting ka post name kadai vocational trainers agriculture dan lightly place of posting kadai West Jaintia Hill, West Garo Hill, educational qualification kadai post graduation in agriculture lane horticulture with 2 years of teaching experience. Te nakine badai ki place of posting tekin shim nakong badai napo ka district nadat mangta badai lada amron bayo napo ka district kisa shim so uba nabar ka district. Okay, then tourism and hospitality 2 posts West Garo Hill and West Jaintia Hill. Educational qualification diploma degree in hotel management kan mau ka percentage long 60%. Kum criteria bagi bu kali 60% pass. Vocational teachers IT and ITS number of posts is 7. Place of posting ki Kerteng juga school sampai yang tu. Okay, West Garo Hill, West Jaintia Hill, West Khasi Hill, West Garo Hill, West Khasi Hill. Mau first preference kan dei shwa na gitu ki bari na poka district dan in sampai segi bana bar jonga district lada amdon hakatu. Educational qualification ME, MTech, BE, BTech, MCA, BCA, BSc IT lane DOE, ACC, B level. Any one of these mo kepada educational qualification. Post name vocational trainers jongka electronic and hardware. Number of post kedon khar artali. Place of posting Kerteng school bad jongi district West Garo Hill, West Khasi Hill, West Garo Hill, West Jaintia Hill, West Khasi Hill, South West Garo Hill. Okay, Kerteng school sa check himapi inda fil apply. Educational qualification video nilodon BE lana BTech in electrical, electronic, telecommunication. Ka post name jongka beauty and wellness artali kawai bro artali kedon West Khasi Hill. Educational qualification within long diploma in cosmetology, and beauty therapy, and beauty culture from a recognized institution of minimum 2 years of work, teaching experience in the relevant fields. Age limit can be long life and real. Relaxation is provided as per the government rules. Kins I relaxation kum government rules. Katulop kan debet R20hajar bnai. Ya baro R puntik pos katulop kan debet R20hajar bnai. Te kumno ban apply pihak shako website laqsh.com who's hiring. Te hilap ban page bini hangne gijinon kam gijingpan jongkane ka kam bagilon kam te lale jangne pinyo gine te shubu ngan le ka tourism and management te page yang tu sampai view detail kumno kipan te tourism and hospitality management in Meghalaya only of resident of Meghalaya mam. Ka job type ka full time food and beverage service trainee diploma and degree holder in hotel management qualification career level 2 year teaching experience. Number of person 2 salary de R20hajar job bonds no don job bonds basic skill good connection and English in local language. Okay, job location ka Meghalaya percentage criteria mo ka 4% training period 3 months probationary period. Interview location kinsa pentib interview date kinsa pentib hadin tang kiba sha select in your ban leja ka interview bar written exam. Having degree experience related age limits between basic knowledge in computer only shortlisted candidate will be called for written test or interview. Tang kiba apan mi Kerteng kila man sha khot ka written test and interview. Te Kerteng school kila don hangne te kiba ko ban apply ke mesh page direct page sa check ki jinon kam ibro te kumno ban apply te page yang tu apply for this job. Then lape yang tu sapandap himapi full name, last name, email ID, date of birth, everything bro kiboron kam hangne. Te la pandap hang tu pada sa submit. I would like to inform dan klik tu sa submit. Tekan sa pentip ipi igi janan kam la da pisha ban shortlisted na am ka kateng jong pi biang na kriteria. te kitu giba empat biang ru apply batch te pensatip lada kin select mar gibun ibaduna lada gibun ibaduna mot kin khot batch phi te tangki nahi ki jing pentip khulish bun.